Hi everyone, my name is Omar Orayumov, and I'm the creative director of MANAS, a 3D third-person action-adventure game inspired by the Epic of Manas, a treasured artifact from my own Central Asian culture. In Manas, you'll take on the role of the legendary hero of the Kyrgyz people as you defend your nomadic village from an attack by an invading conqueror, alongside your faithful steed, Akul. Let's get into some gameplay.
Face me in the ring, father.
At this point in the game, Manas and his father Jakib have finished riding into the village while discussing the incoming invasion. Jakib wishes for Manas to flee, as he feels that Manas is not yet ready to take on the challenge. But Manas refuses and challenges his father to a sparring match to prove himself. Our game is inspired by the Epic of Manas, the longest epic poem in the world and the national epic of Kyrgyzstan. The epic details Manas's journey as he seeks to find and reunite the 40 scattered tribes of the Kyrgyz people and establish a Kyrgyz nation.
Let me show you what I can do.
The epic can sometimes take days at a time to perform, and they are oral performances.
Well struck, Manas. Clearly the lion is with you. Don't tell me my son wastes your time as well. The spirits brought me here, old friend. A great trial is before us, and Manas must be prepared.
Our project adapts the very beginning of the epic in Manas's youth, before he becomes the hero he's now known as. If we adapt his first great challenge, the invasion of his home village and the reason he must leave to set out on his journey.
Manas, draw your bow, they're coming down the hill!
As Manas, you're tasked with defending your village and the villagers from the incoming invaders, using a combination of both on-foot and horseback combat, using sword and bow.
Manas, get to Akula and run! Where's my daughter?
Manas's strength is granted to him through blessings by the three animal spirits, the lion, the falcon, and the tiger, who the player can call upon for aid in battle.
Come with me. Let the lion guide your stripes, and I shall follow. The lion within!
Our team has worked hard over the past year to bring this underrepresented culture and region to life, and we're proud to be the first AGP student team to build our project in Unreal Engine 5. We've been able to recreate the beautiful Central Asian landscape, as well as record a live soundtrack featuring authentic Kyrgyz national instruments. That's our gameplay. Let's get into the trailer. today, come check us out at the SCA Gallery and find us for download for free on itch.io. Up next, we've got Adam with Try Again.